Hello, guys. Hi, everyone. I am from An Easy Step to English Grammar. It's a short video, similar in sound but different in meaning. Hell, Hail, hell. Hell means frozen rain or frozen raindrops. For example, the hailstorms have damaged the crops. The hailstorms has damaged the crops. Hailstorms. Hail, hell means to welcome. For example, in the meeting, I was held cordially. I was held cordially. Hailed, held. But the spelling is the same. Hell, hell means it is an imaginary world under the ground, under the earth. Actually, it is the kingdom of Saturn. It is the kingdom of Saturn, who is the only enemy or the arch rival of God. That is hell. We usually say, go to hell. Go to hell means I am cursing the man. Go to hell. That means let your life be destroyed. I have no objection. So I have given you three words. Hail, hell. Hell means frozen raindrops. Hail, hell, to welcome. And hell, that is the imaginary world of Saturn, the arch rival of God. Thanking all of you. Good night. Stay safe, stay mellow. Like, comment, subscribe my channel, An Easy Step to English Grammar.